affordable for everyone. तो ता ऊपर टैक्स भी रहउची. तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा वन ऑफ द फ्यू स्टेट्स आउ भी अलग स्टेट्स भी करचंदी ये हम प्रथम स्टेट नुह वन ऑफ द फ्यू स्टेट जे कि 100% एग्जाम्पशन देचन. तो okay, the state commerce and transport department has officially come up with a notification for the 100% exemptions with an aim to encourage faster adoption of electric vehicles here. Here mane am state. The exemptions have been announced in accordance with the provision of Odisha Electric Vehicle Policy 2021 issued earlier. The notification read. Okay. Through its electric vehicle policy, the state government seeks to achieve at least 20% registrations of battery operated vehicles by 2025 and to promote the manufacturing of such vehicles and their components in the state. The state government has proposed to extend a host of incentives to the buyers and manufacturers of electric vehicles, their batteries and charging stations, for which a separate notification will be issued shortly, the official said. The state government will also offer financial incentives starting from 5,000 to 4 lakhs to electric vehicle buyers of different category of vehicles until 2025. This apart, the state government employees will get 100% interest-free loans to buy electric vehicles. It has also been decided that state government departments and agencies will give preference to hire and purchase of electric vehicles for official use. The Commerce and Transport Department has estimated that total subsidies in the purchase of electric vehicles would amount to rupees 190 crore in the next 4 years, considering the current pace of registration of such vehicles. During a meeting called by Chief Secretary Suresh Chandra Mahapatra on September 17 to discuss the implementation of state's electric vehicle policy, the Commerce and Transport Department had asked the Finance Department to make a budgetary provision of approximately 47.5 crore per annum to provide subsidy to the electric vehicle buyers. The officials of Commerce and Transport Department said that altogether 26.22 lakh vehicles of different categories were registered in the state in the last 4 years, of which 82% were two-wheelers. The Industries Department has been asked to encourage setting up of manufacturing units for electric vehicles in all segments. An official who was part of the meeting said, the department will soon come out with a well-defined recycling policy in consultation with Forest and Environment Department. Okay, এটা भी important aspect है ना जे ताको यूज कला परे ताको तो फोपाडिबे अपन बैटरी करी गाऊ ताको केमती रिसाइकल करा. ओके, सो एटा हला अपन पैसेज. नाउ फर्स्ट स्टेप हला सेंट्रल थीम कोन. सो obviously central theme एथरे हमें जानी पाउछु कि central theme is basically your okay electric vehicle policy. ठीक अछि, एटा central theme state रो electric vehicle policy सेथरे से किछि गोटे ओके सब्सिडी दउची और एनकरेजमेंट दउची जो माने इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल ओके किनिया पे चाहउछन. राइट, so this is the central theme of कौन से electric vehicle policy and okay गोटे green fuel policy जदि सेमती अपन देखिबे ता ऊपरे फोकस टा रहउची. तेणु हमर फर्स्ट काम होला टू डिसाइड द टाइटल. ओके, टाइटल कौन रहइबो. So what you can do is you can just write in the chat box. Okay, कौन टाइटल रहइबो. Okay, हाँ श्रीलेखा कहते गांधी टॉपिक टा रिवाइज करेंगे सेटा जीके रो क्लास काली रहबो. मु 15 मिनिट सेटा रिवाइज करबी काना सेटा रिकॉर्डिंग हे पार नथला लास्ट टाइम. ओके, ए कहते स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी, स्टेट ईवी व्हीकल पॉलिसी. ओके, डिमांड फॉर इको फ्रेंडली इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स. ओके, ओडिशा इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी शुभलक्ष्मी कहते ईवी पॉलिसी ऑफ ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट. ओके, सुजीत कहते राइट. तपरे government provision for electric vehicles, government policy for electric vehicles. Okay, चारिटा maximum words, तीनटा हेले बहुत ही भलो. Okay, जेते simple रहइबो without any fancy words आउरी भलो. Future of electric vehicles in Odisha, Odisha electric vehicles policy. Okay, so मेन जिनसटा आमे कोन देखिलु इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी ओके सेटा तो प्राय जेते जण आपण देइचंती ओके तर ना उडा टाइटल उडा प्रमोटिंग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स ओके तो सेटा टिके स्पेसिफिक करिवे ओडिसा को कनाडा ओडिसा स्पेसिफिक जेतु अछि ओके लोपामुद्रा कहते exemptions on electric vehicles ओके तो एटा गोटे पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट को आपण देखेले exemptions रोची इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स ऊपर ओके व्हिच इज नॉट टेक्निकली रॉन्ग बट जो टाइटल टा आपण देबे इट शुड कवर ओके टोटल पार्ट को कवर करबा कथा ओके मींस इट शुड कवर द एंटायर पैसेज जति आपण को देछि सो ओवरऑल most of you what you have written is fine okay Odisha's electric vehicle policy or electric vehicle policy of Odisha okay एई टाइप रो जहाकना एथरे दीटा जिंस रहउची एटा स्टेट ऊपर कहउची ठीक अछि स्टेट ऊपर कहउची स्टेट रो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पॉलिसी ऊपर कहउची तो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल भी रहिबो आउ स्टेट भी रहिबो माने ओडिसा भी रहिबो दीटा जाक रहिबार अछि सो Odisha's electric vehicle policy of Odisha same type रो simple किछि आपण ओके रखि पारिबे सेटा राइट most of you have written correctly mane rakhibe that central theme ta should be reflected in the title central theme ta should be reflected in the title रे आपनकर central theme reflected हेथिबा दरकार ओके ओके तो फर्स्ट पार्ट ता आपनकर गला that is basically the title तो आपण टाइटल सप्लाई कर दैचंती ओके टाइटल टा सी केबे पचारिबोनी हमकु निज साइड रो दवा पड़ियो राइट नेक्स्ट आसिला ड्राफ्ट आउटलाइन काली बहुत जण अराउंड 30-40 जण पठेई जंदी मते ओके आरो जो माने पठेई नांती ओके ड्राफ्ट टा मु गोटे गोटे पार्ट रे हमें करबा ठीक अछि तो टाइटल टा यू हैव रिटन फाइन नाउ जस्ट ड्राफ्ट को आपण देखंतु ड्राफ्ट रे कोन करबार अछि किछि नै ए जो इंपोर्टेंट सेंटेंसेस उडा अछि ओके टोटल आपणकर ओरिजिनल पैसेज रु इंपोर्टेंट लाइंस कॉपी पेस्ट करिवार अछि कॉपी पेस्ट द इंपोर्टेंट लाइंस ओके पूरा सेंटेंस भी जदी न होची फ्रेज रे आपण पूरा सेंटेंस कले भलो बट फ्रेज रे जेमति कि से मॉडल रे देइथिला फर्स्ट मटेरियल रे डैश करकी सेमति भी आपण देइ परिबे किछ असुविधा नै ओके बट बेटर टू राइट इट ओके इन फुल सो को लाइंस गुडा हमरो इंपोर्टेंट ठीक अछि को लाइंस गुडा एटा ଗୋଟେ जनरल रूल आपण लिखि दियंतु factual lines can be or facts can be okay kept aside for example eti gote se dela
constructive based approach to education because eti kon na gote construct gote idea se nije concept करूची discover gote जिनसे discover करके he is learning through his own constructivism method he is constructing something from his own experience okay so according to Bruner discovery learning takes place in problem solving situation keyword ta खाली लेखो तो बुझेला बळे then again I will repeat आज एमती भी टिके लेट हेला so because of this issue so we'll make up so don't worry so where the learner draws on his own experience and prior knowledge and is the method of instruction through which students interact with the environment by exploring and manipulating objects ame तो गोटे किछि discovery method रे पढू किछि experiment करिकि when we explore something and we manipulate objects wrestling with questions and controversies of performing experiments जोटी कि किछि ओन डिस्कवर करू केतोल डिस्कवर करू जेतोल कि एक्सपेरिमेंट किछि करू and we discover okay then its major theme it's an active process in which learner construct new ideas concept based upon their current or past knowledge so he is building his own ideas from any small idea he can make a big one and everyone's concept is different from the other. Kichi gote concept agar base concept gote base kariki gote from the past or the present knowledge he forms his own conception. Okay, the discovery learning is an inquiry based. Naturally it will be inquiry based. Jetala tome discovery karcho something, you first you inquiry. Constructivist learning theory, which takes place in problem solving situation where learner draws his or own past experiences and existing knowledge to discover facts and relationships and new truths to be learned. So kichi gote discover kale, so that again it is based totally on inquiry. He is making his inquiry and to find out its truth and if it is actually happening or not, and his what exactly his discovery is. So this, how does he does this discovery learning, how does he form his main own conception, or how does he construct some new ideas from the past ideas, or he builds new ideas for for anything new, and he discovers something new by these three, by the main concepts. The concepts are like representation. In his research of the cognitive development of children, Jerome Bruner proposed 3 models of representation. How does this representation takes place now? It is again action based, time based, symbolic representation based. Action based means he has to do some action, he has to carry out some experiment. Iconic representation means it's time based, within what time, at what time, when, and ए सब टाइम को नहीं केतबेले कोन एक्सपेरिमेंट टा बेस करूचंती, that is time based. It's always time based. Symbolic representation, that is language based. Language, so what is language based? It has to like it is a code, it's in the form of coding. The mode of representation are the ways in which information or knowledge are stored and encoded in memory. Just like coding and encoding, the process takes place. First action based, then time based, then language based. These 3 things are there in the main theme of representation. How does he represent his idea? By some experiment, that is action based, within a time frame, and using some code and coding and encoding or any language. So it is language based. So that is how he represents. Now the most of representation are the way in which the information of the knowledge are stored and encoded in memory. First it is coded and then again encoded. Enactive, 0 to 1 years. When does it takes place? At very small, at very early age, first 0 to 1 years. This appears first. This is the mode where information is stored in the form of actions on physical objects. Like छोटे पिलांगे तो हम example बड़े करे किसी object देखाओ, सेटा तांगा mind रे रहे, सेटा मने रखते से, it's memorized or it is stored in form of action in physical objects. कि छोटे खेलना है तो हम देखो जो toys, any toys देखिए कि पिला first कौन करे, first sound सुनिबो, देखिबो, object देखिबो, सेट से मने रखिबो, information टा गोटे पाइला in the form of these objects. It is stored in the form of action, or action man कोन action करी जो देखाओ पिला को, छोटे पिला को 0 to 1 years भीतर कौन करा जाए, ताको एक्शन करके देखा जाए कि किछि खेलना दिया देखा जाए, तो से गुडा देखि कि से मन रखे, से किछि से तोड़ को तारा सेटा तार रहि गेला inactive, माने एक्शन ने देखुची, ऑब्जेक्ट रे देखुची, so that is inactive, which is the time period within this 0 to 1 year. For example, in form of movement as a muscle memory, a baby might remember the action of shaking a rattle. Naturally, when taku jo rattle, taku first rattle jo taku khelna dekhi ki sound hotibo, ki gote red color heitibo, gote object jo dekhile se setu mone rakhuchi taku. The learning starts by his representation in form of action or inactive jota kocha mein. Then iconic. This is where information is stored visually in form of images, a mental picture in the mind's eye. For some, this is conscious. Others say they don't experience it. Consciously se dekhuchan se object taku, se image taku, au kete jana konti experience korinan just as a visualization. This may explain why when we are learning a new subject, it is often helpful to have diagram or illustration to accompany verbal information. Then symbolic, 7 years onwards. जोटा टिके बड़ हला परे जोटा कि हमें पिलाटा तो मन रखुची, that is 7 years onwards. That we are not showing in form of action or objects. Here actually से experience करची, actually से जिनसे से धरुची, touch करुची, He's just experimenting on from his experience is learning. This is where information is stored in form of a code or a symbol such as language. ताको कुआ है गला ये जिनसुरे ये से language रो से मन रखिला किसी symbol किसी picture को देखि से मन रखिला, that is symbolic. This is the most adaptable form of representation for actions and images have a fixed relation to that which they represent. It is represent se koruchandi by means of symbols, by means of images. Symbols are flexible in that they can be manipulated, ordered, classified, so that the user isn't constrained by action or images. That is flexible. माने से तारे change करी परिबो. से symbol को से ता निजो symbol से मन रखिबो. Suppose he wants to remember गोटे बड़ rhyme मन रखिया को चाहूची कि गोटे story मन रखिया को चाहूची, तो से story रो गोटे important image को से मन रखले तार से story बेसे तार total मन रही जाउची. So that is symbolic. That is how he is representing. That is how his learning process is taking place. In the symbolic stage, knowledge is stored primarily as words, mathematical symbols, or in other symbol systems. Symbols are mathematical operations, greater than, less than. किसी भी गोटे symbol दे किसी ताको सेटा को represent करूची. In so that is in the two forms representation by तीनटा जिनसे से main theme use कला. गोटे ला inactive action. गोटे iconic, that is time period, and symbolic. So तीनटा जाको जो रोइला तीनटा जाको फिर को stage रे होची of child गोटे child रे को stage रे ओटा को हमें apply करी परचे, that is again divided. एटा रे main theme. So गोटे discovery learning हबारा theme टा हला first ला represent करिवो, तापरे spiral curriculum. What is spiral curriculum? According to Brunner, teaching should always lead to boost cognitive development. Main है constructive Brunner's called discovery is constructive method. So constructive method रे always high cognitive development is there. It is always the cognitive development is boosted. The teacher should not teach from the teacher's level of understanding. They should not teach from their level of understanding. They should give freely leave the children to develop their own construct. They should be flexible. They are just facilitator for the child to